So today I'm in early bed. Since I traveled, I came back. I've been to gym I think twice, but because we didn't have electricity, so I wasn't able to record. But now I am able to because power was restored after 2 weeks. So it's now 4:40 a.m. early morning. I'm in early bed today, so I'm going to be at the gym by I think in the next 10 minutes to start the workout. So yeah, I just want to encourage you that you can do it. Never give up. Just believe in yourself. You can fight that depression through these workouts. So let's go and see what we are going to do today after a long time not being at the gym for 2 months because I was in Zimbabwe and then I went to Zambia. So I didn't manage to go to some of the gyms, especially in Zambia, because where I stay where some of the gyms are was far because I didn't also have transport. But now I'm here. Let's go and do it. So workout is always about commitment, guys. As you can see, it's very dark, but I'm so committed to a point whereby I have to go in the dark and there are no cars, as you can see. It's very quiet, but there I am on the way. Nothing can stop you if you put your mind, your strength, and yeah. So I am here. Let's go in. All right. Just have a look how empty it is. I have to go to the upper level. Okay. So you can see here there are no cars. This is what we call commitment. As you can see, no cars here. So let's go to the upper level and see if we can find people there. Okay, roof parking. Let's go to the roof parking. It's very dark. Early morning. Okay, let's see. Right. If there's early birds, the 5 a.m. club like me. So let's see. Ah, guys, look. I am the only one here, guys. No one is yet. I'm number one. Look. No parking. There's no car, not at all. I think the gym is still closed. This is crazy, eh? How did I even wake up like this? Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I have to wait in the car, guys. So right now, guys, I don't know if you're able to see me. Time is 04:54 and there's these two guys who have also arrived. So we are just waiting for the gym to open at 5 a.m. So today I'm in early bed. I came so early. I came here on Friday, my first time coming to gym after I came back. It was, I was late actually. I came once they had already started the workouts. So today I said I am going early, and there I am. So I am now inside the gym. So this is, you know what the greats do, make the impossible look easy. Team G. Okay, there is my trainer. Hi, Naif. Imagine today was the first one to arrive here. That's commitment, eh? So look, guys, this is how the gym looks like. So this is the upper level of gym at the corner. So this is it. That's the upper level here. All right, let me just take you on a tour of my gym. So this is it. That's the upper level. Then we come this side. This is where we are going to do our workouts today. Here, it's so huge, it's very big, guys. Here we are. So just giving you a tour of my gym. Okay, let's go to the other one. This is Studio One. So Studio One. Okay. There is Studio 2. Let's go to Studio 2. Okay. This is Studio 2. So that is it. Sometimes I come here as well when there's group sessions. All right. Let's just check before we start. I show you around of this nice gym. So this is for squash, to those who play squash. So we've got here for squash and also there for squash. And then that's the reception area. Okay. Then this is the team. Morning, Snake. Morning. Okay. So, hi, morning. Let's go now let's go now downstairs and check out the lower level, guys. Let's just have a look at this beautiful, nice gym at North Cliff Corner. So this is the lower level. I'm just taking you in a tour before we start. So this is the lower level part. It's actually quite a huge gym. So this is where I come for my workouts, guys. So there we are. It's actually quite huge. It's actually a very, very big gym. All right, there we are. Okay. They've got an interesting studio here, Studio 5. Let me show you. This one is for ladies only. There we are. That's Studio Women Training In. As you can see here, it says Women Training In. This one, it's only for ladies. It's a bit dark, I can't show you properly. And then we have got Studio 6 here. There we are. All right. Then I love this other part here. Studio 7. As you can see, guys, it's very, very huge. This side we've got the bathrooms, washrooms, whatever you call them. Washrooms. Okay. So let's go this side. Actually, I have to check and see when I can come here and do the aquafit. It's been long. Okay. So this is the swimming pool area where we do the aquafit. I normally come for class here for aquafit. Even though I don't know how to swim, but I'll just be in water doing the more like fitness, aerobics, something like that. So yeah, let's now go, guys, and start the workouts with Naive, my gym trainer. It's very, very good. So let's go. There he is. He's still taking some stuff for setup.